Hello there. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all are feeling fine. And I'm also very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. So this is Monar Hossain Bashar from Natur Rajshahi. I am a student. I'm doing my honors, and I'm a student of honors third year. As well as I'm teaching students online, especially I'm teaching English. I have participated so many competitions, and now I have so many things to share with you. So today I'm here to share with you my experiences.
So how do you develop your English skill? I mean, especially speaking skill.
Well, I can say from my perspective, speaking is the easiest one. If I compare it with writing, with reading, other skills are so difficult. Speaking is always easy, but you have to follow some steps that will help you a lot to reach that position. First of all, be positive. Your positivity is important. And then try to fix a realistic goal. If you don't have a realistic goals, it'll be pretty hard for you to continue your journey. And thereafter, you have to maintain your regularity because many people start their journey, but they can't continue. They usually give up. You shouldn't really give up. And thereafter, you have to follow some teachers online or offline. And then you have to speak out as much as possible. The more you speak, the more fluent you become.
Okay. So is there any YouTube channel where I mean many individual who are interested in learning English can get benefited themselves?
Yeah, there are so many YouTube channels. So first of all, if you are a good listener and you understand native English speakers, then I'm gonna recommend you to follow Vanessa. And her YouTube channel name is Speak English with Vanessa. And also if you're a British English lover, then I would love to prefer to follow Lucy. And the name of her name of her channel is English with Lucy. I think that channel will be fantastic for you too. But if you think it's pretty hard for you to understand native English speakers, then you can follow Mushfika ma'am online, and she has YouTube channel and Facebook page both.
Okay. So let's talk about journey. So do you love journey? I mean, do you love traveling somewhere?
Yeah, I love traveling, but the problem is I don't have enough money to travel.
Okay. So do you want to say that to travel or to go to somewhere, money is crucial?
You're absolutely right, because that time you'll have to try different food, you'll have to get different rides, and sometimes maybe you try to buy some items for your family members, you try to buy some different things. So you truly need money to travel.
Okay, so can you guess where was the last time you go somewhere? I mean, you went somewhere, and what was the place, and what was your feelings?
Well, last month I visited Rajshahi. So there was a very beautiful riverbed. I saw the river, and also we had a great boat journey. And we walked for more than 2 hours, and that was in the riverbed. So it was an amazing journey for every one of us, and there were more than 20 people together. So you can understand that how spectacular moment I got there.
Okay, so do you believe that traveling can get rid of our frustration or disappointing experience?
It depends on you. If we're able to forget all the things while traveling, it will truly happen. But there are some people, when they travel, they think about their work, and when they work, they think about traveling. I wish I could visit Cox's Bazar, how beautiful it would be. And when they go to Cox's Bazar, then they start thinking about their work. I wish I were there, I would be able to work properly. So if you think that you have to remove all the stress you have in your brain, definitely it will work. But first of all, try to understand that what your mind truly wants.
Okay, so do you have any friends who is very fond of traveling?
Yes, I have so many friends and they have enough money as well.
Okay, so how do you pass your leisure time?
I usually try to record videos. Although it's kind of my passion and like profession also, if I talk about current perspectives, but I really love to record videos. So whenever I have a lot of free time, I record different videos and edit them.
Okay, so we all have a plan for the future. So what's your next destination? What do you want to do for the future?
Oh man, it's pretty difficult for me to answer because during COVID-19, my brother and I, both of us, were trying our best to learn graphic designing and online marketing, and it truly worked. And we earned some money as well. So I can think about it in the future that I was an initiative or I was in the initiative level, but I think I have to go ahead. And in the future, maybe I'll be a professional graphic designer. And you know that nowadays I'm working on English, so definitely I have to do something in this sector also. Like as a teacher, maybe I can do well. I don't know, but I'll be trying my best to do as well. I think time will say what exactly I have to do. Then I'll decide.
So do you believe that being a graphic designer is very challenging?
It was so challenging. And that time, the competition we had, if I compare that competition to right now, the situations you're facing nowadays, it's so much challenging because nowadays, many people are trying to work in the sector and they are becoming successful, but some of them are not being.